I'm going to teach you how to play Christmas, Baby Please Come Home, the Darlene Love classic. The song has been covered by U2, Mariah Carey. I mean, you name it. It's just one of those songs. It is fabulous. And it's super easy to play. There are only 5 chords in the entire song. If this is what you're looking for, stick around. I'm Brenda Earl-Stokes. I'm the owner and creator of Piano and Voice with Brenda. I make creative and practical resources to help people like you become a more versatile musician. So before we hop into the tutorial, you should definitely go into this link here to get the free download. So you're going to go pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com/Christmas-baby-please come home. You see dash. I'll have it linked below. And then you'll get a lyrics and chord sheet sent right to your email inbox. Lots of people like to print these. You can write your little notes in as we go. So without further ado, let's get into it. So Christmas Baby Please Come Home was a huge hit for Darlene Love. It was written by Ellie Greenwich, Jeff Barry, and Phil Spector. It was produced by Phil Spector, and it was released as a single on a 1963 compilation album called A Christmas Gift for You from Phil, as in Phil Spector. Since then, it's been recorded by U2, Michael Bublé, Cher, Mariah Carey, like you name it. Everybody has covered this song. And it is going to be super, super easy to play because it's 4 chords for the entire song. So we're in the key of E flat. So we have, B flat, E flat, A flat. You can always do the thing if it's a key you don't play in very much, where you do your, couple of exercises, right? To make sure that you have all the information that you need. But for the most part, this one is very, very simple because it is 4 chords. It's E flat. It's G minor. It's A flat, and it's B flat. And that's it. That's the whole song. I did do a little voice leading because it seemed like it made sense. So I do E flat in the key in first inversion. So you're going to do that 2 times. And then G minor in root position. And then A flat in root position. And then B flat in root position. And that's all we're going to do. So we're going to go... Christmas, the snow's coming down. Christmas, I'm watching it fall. Christmas, lots of people around. Christmas, baby, please come home. Christmas, the church bells in town. Christmas, are ringing a song. Christmas, what a happy sound. Christmas, baby, please come home. And then is the chorus. So those are actually, I think, technically the verses. And then the chorus, they're singing deck the halls. Oh, I forgot. There is another chord here. C minor. But it's not like Christmas at all. And I'm playing it in second inversion. And then A flat and root. I remember when you were here and all the fun we had last year. And then we're back into the Christmas. That's the whole song. Okay. But it always goes, they're singing deck the halls, but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here and all the fun we had last year. I mean, that woman had some mega pipes, you guys. She can really sing. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the accompaniment strategy. And as I showed you before, the chorus part is where everything kind of pauses, right? Da 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 da, right? So that part you're just going to hold. But for the intro and the verse, I'll show you in a second. So all I'm doing is I'm doing our pop ballad. That's all I'm doing. But it's so fast. So Christmas, modify this as much as you want for your own well-being and safety and chops and how tired you are and how hot it is. You can make it as simple as you want. So if you wanted to go, you could do that, or you could go whatever version of that. It really doesn't make a difference. But if you can do the driving rhythm, even if you just went like this, you could do that. Or if you wanted to 1 to 5, totally you could do that. Any of that will sound absolutely great. And that's the entire song. It's literally just that over and over again. So I'm going to do a quick playthrough. This is going to be like the shortest tutorial in the history, the shortest Christmas tutorial in the history of mankind. I think maybe last Christmas was shorter than this, but we'll see. So here we go.
Lots of people around Christmas. Baby, please come home. Christmas. The church bells in town. Christmas are ringing a song. Christmas. What a happy sound. Christmas. Baby, please come home. They're singing Deck the Halls, but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here and all the fun we had last year. Christmas, pretty lights on the tree. Christmas, I'm watching them shine. Christmas, you should be here with me. Christmas, baby, please come home. Solo section. The pentatonic scale. They're singing Deck the Halls, but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here and all the fun we had last year. Christmas, if there was a way, hey, Christmas, I'd hold back all these tears. Christmas, but it's Christmas Day. Please, 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 baby, please come home. Please come home. Baby, please come home.
Right? And then we vamp into the end of time. So it's technically 5 chords because we have that C minor in there, but it really, really, really sounds like something which is fun. And it's such a cheap, quick and dirty one to get together because there's so few chords and there's, kind of, it just sounds so impressive. You could even think about getting your audience to say, because you can't sing along with them because who knows the words, except you could say, every time I point to you, you're going to sing Christmas, or I'm going to look at you like this and everyone's going to go Christmas. Because how fun would that be if you're like, okay, everybody sing Christmas, and they say Christmas, pretty lights on the tree, right? That's a great way to get people engaged with it. It's a really, really fun one to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I have lots of goodies over here, lots of holiday songs and kind of everything else. So stick around, lots of fun to be had here. If you want to know more about me, you should check out my website, pianoinvoicewithbrenda.com. There you'll see gobs of amazing resources. You can learn how to work with me, either one-on-one in lessons, or I have this incredible online membership called The Versatile Musician. Tons of courses, tons of tutorials, printables, practice tips. It's really the best of the learning and teaching that I've done over the last, 35 years of my career. And there's so much there for you. And for a limited time, if you enter coupon code Get Started 30, you'll get $30 off your first month. It is such a great deal. So much good material in there. And we even do a live call every single month, 1 or 2 of them. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you'll check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.